In this video, we're going to see how to use workflows to propose the creation of any asset in Collibra. This is a complement to our previous video on asset creation. So I'm in the business glossary. We're looking at all the business terms across the organization, and I realized that I want to add one, but I don't have the permissions to do so. So this is where I will use the workflows feature. I will click on the global create button. I'm going to go over to actions, and this is where I can kick off workflows that have been configured in the platform. We can see we have a number of them, but we're going to focus on the proposing of a new business term. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to say we need to add a definition for data governance. I'll select the type business term, and I'm just going to paste in a definition here. As I go further down, I have this related asset, which allows me to tag assets that should be related to as part of relationships. And then I can do a reason for proposal, and we need a definition for data governance in our glossary. Once I click propose, the workflow will be kicked off. And two things to note here. First, depending on the workflow, this will go into someone to approve it. So this is depending on your organization, and in this case it's the business steward, John Fisher. As a user, I can go find the business term I just proposed, so I can search for data governance, and I can see that the status is candidate. What happens in the background is that a task has been created. So we have this task screen, and you see I don't have any tasks, so I'm going to switch to the user John Fisher. I'm going to give the page a quick refresh, and then I'm going to go up to my tasks, and as you can see, it's been updated. Any workflow that is assigned to your user to perform a certain action will be found in this tasks area. So we can see I have to vote for the business term. I can check the business term that's related to. I can open it to review it first. Depending on the workflow, there can be other steps needed. For example, a subject matter expert needs to fill some more information or link it to a dataset or to other reports. But once I have that, it should be approved, and those will be rolled out within the glossary. In Collibra, we use workflows to automate data governance tasks, so there's collaboration between all users to do things like proposing business terms, certifying reports, and much more.